What is wastewater treatment system? Treatment systems for industrial wastewater are frequently necessary to maintain compliance with safety precautions and discharge laws for businesses that generate wastewater as part of their process.
In order to protect human health, the environment, the best industrial wastewater system is essential, particularly if the wastewater is reprocessed.
An environmental fine and legal action could be avoided if wastewater is correctly discharged into a POTW, usually under a national pollutant discharge elimination system.
What is the purpose of a wastewater system?
It is a collection of many technologies that work together to meet specialized wastewater treatment demands. Having a wastewater treatment system that can adapt to changes in treatment needs can save money in the long run by avoiding costly replacements and upgrades.
The following should be handled by a robust wastewater treatment plant system.
Variation in contamination and movement in the process. Chemical quantities must be adjusted to account for changes in water chemistry.
Water effluent regulations could be altered in the future. Components of wastewater treatment plant system.
In general, the components of a wastewater treatment plant system contain at least one of the following: treatment of chemical feed precipitation, flocculation and suspended solids filtration to eliminate all the residual trace metals and particles from the water. Post-treatment pH adjustment and monitoring, depending on the level of automation process. In most cases, these conventional components are sufficient, but if the plant demands a more customized system, there may be additional features needed to implement. Some examples are food and beverage facilities, where a biological treatment technique is needed to lower BOD, biochemical oxygen demand.
What is normally removed by a wastewater treatment plant system?
A wastewater treatment plant system could include any or all of the following technologies.
Oxygen consumption in biochemistry.
In order for aerobic organisms to split into smaller molecules, they require a certain amount of dissolved oxygen. High BOD levels indicate an increased dilution of biodegradable material in wastewater, which can be triggered by the input of contaminants such as waste, washdown from food preparation, or fertilizer runoff.
Phosphates and nitrates.
Non-removal of high quantities in wastewater of nutrients such as nitrate and phosphate may lead to an upsurge in BOD, extensive weed and algal development, as well as phytoplankton blooms in the nearby environment. Depletion of oxygen in the water may lead to the death of species and the formation of ecological dead zones.
Pathogens. When pathogens are present, they can cause everything from acute illness to serious digestive difficulties to death.
These microorganisms include bacteria and viruses as well as fungus and other microbes. Non-treated domestic and industrial wastewater can transmit diseases including salmonellosis, cholera, hepatitis, dysentery, botulism, etc. because of the presence of hazardous bacteria.
Metals.
As a result of numerous industries and production processes, metals may cause substantial harm to human health and the environment, and wastewater are not treated adequately.
Because these metal substances don't decompose and they tend to collect, they're highly hazardous to the environment. The total amount of solids in the solution.
Organic and inorganic solid debris within the wastewater can harm aquatic life.
As a result, the TSS toxicity level will increase. TSS is capable of reducing the amount of oxygen in the water and killing insects.
They are also capable of clogging and fouling pipelines and equipment.
Solids in solution as a whole.
The presence of metals, minerals, and salts in wastewater is referred to as total dissolved solids, TDS. In addition to harming aquatic life and contaminating soil, these pollutants have a tendency to leach into the groundwater supply. Toxic dissolved solids, TDS, can be found in effluent from any industry. Chemicals that have been synthesized. In manufacturing plants, pesticides and many other chemicals are applied and can be transferred to individuals and the ecosystem through wastewater, resulting in environmental and human harm. There are a variety of pesticides, PCBs, diethylstilbestrol, dioxin, and other diethylstilbestrol-related compounds that are commonly discovered in wastewater. They are known as endocrine disruptors, and these chemicals can affect the activities of hormones in the body. I hope this video provides you great understanding about what is normally removed by a wastewater treatment plant system. Please feel free to like, comment, and share.